Welcome to my channel, Amazon Top Picks. Let me introduce CHEBIO Cordless Stick Vacuum. Key features and analysis. This 6-in-1 lightweight cordless vacuum, just 5 LEBs, delivers powerful cleaning for hardwood floors, low-pile carpets, and pet hair with impressive versatility and ease of use. Key features. It boasts 28 kPa suction in 2 modes, Eco for everyday tasks and Max for tough debris. Powered by a removable lithium-ion battery offering up to 45 minutes runtime in Eco mode, around 20 minutes in Max, with a 4-hour charge. The anti-tangle V-shaped brush roll, paired with a flexible LED-lit floor head, glides under furniture and captures hair without clogging. A generous 1.5 L dust cup empties with one touch, and the washable HEPA filter traps 99.99% of fine particles. It converts seamlessly into a handheld unit and includes a crevice tool, 2-in-1 dusting brush, pet hair tool, and wall mount for storage. Pros: users praise its exceptional value, earning 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 2,400 reviews, thanks to strong suction on hard floors and pet hair, lightweight maneuverability, and quiet operation at 63 dB. The anti-tangle brush performs reliably, and the large dust cup with easy empty design reduces maintenance hassle. Setup is simple and the LED headlights reveal hidden dust effectively. Cons: battery life drops quickly in max mode, limiting deep clean sessions. Some report charging issues or reduced suction after several months, common in budget models. While solid for daily use, it doesn't match the raw power or longevity of premium brands like Dyson. Verdict: perfect for small to medium homes needing a versatile, pet-friendly daily cleaner under $150. Great starter cordless vacuum, convenient and effective, but consider upgrading for heavy-duty or long-term use. Thanks for watching. To purchase the item, simply click the link below. If you enjoy our channel, please subscribe now. You will not miss any future videos.